Elon Musk literally just named a branch of the United States government after Dogecoin, the biggest meme coin in the world, and price chart of that is moving accordingly.
Are meme coins secretly rewriting the rules of how we think about money? While traditional currencies are tied to central banks and economic systems, meme coins are thriving on internet culture, community hype, and a dash of absurdity. In this video, we'll explore why these digital tokens are catching attention, how they compare to traditional currency, and what this means for the future of finance. Stay tuned because by the end, you'll understand not just the what, but the surprising why behind this growing phenomenon. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for secure financial transactions. Unlike traditional currencies issued by central banks, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized systems called blockchains, a type of distributed ledger that records transactions across multiple computers. The first and most famous cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, was introduced in 2009 by an anonymous figure known as Satoshi Nakamoto. It was designed as a peer-to-peer digital currency that eliminates the need for intermediaries like banks, promising lower transaction costs and greater financial inclusivity. Bitcoin gained initial traction among tech enthusiasts and libertarians, who saw it as a means to challenge the centralized banking system. Its popularity surged in the early 2010s due to its potential for anonymity and its use in online transactions. However, the real turning point came in 2017 when Bitcoin's price skyrocketed, drawing mainstream attention. This led to an explosion of other cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin, each offering unique features such as smart contracts or faster transaction speeds. The rise of cryptocurrency was fueled by dissatisfaction with traditional financial systems, particularly after the 2008 financial crisis. Its appeal grew as it promised freedom from government control, increased financial privacy, and new investment opportunities. Over time, it transitioned from a niche concept to a global phenomenon, attracting not just individual investors but also institutions and businesses. Today, cryptocurrency is a key part of discussions about the future of money, even as debates about regulation and sustainability continue. Meme coins are a category of cryptocurrency that derives their identity and value largely from internet culture, social media trends, and community-driven hype rather than traditional financial fundamentals. Unlike mainstream cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, which are designed to solve complex financial or technological problems, meme coins are often created as jokes or parodies, but have gained unexpected traction and value over time.
Obviously, BTC is trying to be the neo gold, so it's trying to be the money of the future, while meme coins are something else entirely, right? A lot of people ask me, how do you value meme coins? Because they're obviously not equity, they're obviously not debt, they're kind of different to tech alts as well in some ways. And I don't think they are a currency either. Although some people have tried to analyze them as a social currency, I don't think they're a currency either.
The concept of meme coins began with Dogecoin, launched in 2013 by software engineers Billy Markus and Jackson Palmer. Inspired by the popular Doge meme featuring a Shiba Inu dog with humorous captions, Dogecoin was initially a satirical take on the cryptocurrency craze. Its creators designed it to be lighthearted and fun, a stark contrast to the often serious and technical nature of crypto space. Despite its playful origins, Dogecoin quickly developed a dedicated community that used it for tipping online creators and donating to charitable causes. The rise of meme coins gained momentum in the late 2020s, fueled by social media platforms like Twitter, Reddit, and TikTok. Influential figures such as Elon Musk amplified Dogecoin's popularity through tweets, sending its value soaring. Seeing Dogecoin's success, other meme coins emerged, like Shiba Inu, Baby Doge, and Floki Inu, each attempting to replicate or innovate on Dogecoin's formula.
Meet Orangey. I held this coin for 20 minutes, made 75 grand in 20 minutes. 2 months ago, we decided to make a new wallet, and we're sitting at 338K right now.
What makes meme coins unique is their reliance on community sentiment and viral marketing. They often lack the technical sophistication or utility of major cryptocurrencies, but their appeal lies in accessibility, humor, and the potential for massive, short-term gains. Investors are drawn to the get-rich-quick stories, where low entry prices can lead to astronomical returns if the coin catches a wave of popularity. Meme coins also reflect a shift in financial culture, as younger generations embrace them as symbols of rebellion against traditional finance and a way to blend money with entertainment. While critics label them speculative and risky, their undeniable impact on the crypto landscape underscores the power of internet communities in shaping financial trends. Reactions to meme coins have been highly polarized, reflecting both the excitement and skepticism surrounding these unconventional cryptocurrencies. On one side, meme coins have garnered massive support, particularly among younger, internet-savvy investors. These enthusiasts see meme coins as a fun and accessible entry point into the cryptocurrency market, often celebrating their whimsical nature and community-driven success stories. For many, investing in meme coins isn't just about potential financial gains but also about participating in a shared cultural phenomenon, amplified by memes, jokes, and online camaraderie. However, the hype surrounding meme coins has also attracted criticism. Traditional investors and financial experts often view them as highly speculative and risky assets. The lack of intrinsic value, real-world utility, or technological innovation behind most meme coins leads many to dismiss them as pump-and-dump schemes or financial bubbles waiting to burst. Critics argue that their value is driven purely by social media hype and herd mentality, making them unpredictable and volatile investments.
Crypto, especially meme coins, are extremely risky. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme or a free money glitch, and you need a community of seasoned traders around you who have been through multiple crypto bull markets, not only to give you the best information and help you find winning tokens, but also to keep you from getting rugged or scammed.
Another notable reaction comes from regulators and policymakers, who have expressed concerns about the potential for fraud and market manipulation in the meme coin space. With their sudden price surges and equally dramatic crashes, meme coins pose risk to inexperienced investors who may be lured in by the promise of quick riches but end up facing substantial losses. Despite the mixed opinions, meme coins have undeniably captured public attention and disrupted traditional notions of value in finance. Their rise reflects broader shifts in how people engage with money, as the lines between investing, entertainment, and internet culture blur. Whether viewed as a joke or a legitimate financial opportunity, meme coins symbolize the growing influence of online communities in shaping market trends and challenging conventional financial systems. Today, meme coins remain a prominent part of the cryptocurrency ecosystem, though their role has evolved. While their initial appeal was largely driven by humor and internet hype, some have gained significant traction and developed practical use cases. Meme coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu are still widely traded, with dedicated communities that continue to support and promote them. Dogecoin, for instance, is accepted as payment by certain businesses, including major companies like Tesla for select purchases, showcasing its integration into mainstream transactions. The rise of the chill guy meme coin is yet another example of how internet culture merges with cryptocurrency trends. This coin, inspired by the viral image of the chill guy meme, depicting a laid-back, carefree individual, quickly gained traction among online communities. The meme resonates with a generation seeking to embrace humor and simplicity in a world of increasing complexity, and its transition into a cryptocurrency only amplified its appeal. When the Chill Guy coin was introduced, early adopters flocked to buy it, driven by its relatability and the chance to own a piece of internet history. Social media platforms like X and Reddit played a crucial role in creating buzz around the coin, with users sharing memes and tagging friends to get in before it blows up. The lighthearted branding made it stand out in a sea of overly technical cryptocurrencies, appealing to casual investors and meme enthusiasts alike.
Today we're covering Chill Guy meme coin as slowly becoming a community favorite meme coin, and also a very angry community's brewing as this continues to plummet. We're down 7% on the day.
As with other meme coins, influencers and online personalities endorsed it, fueling its rapid growth. For many, buying the Chill Guy coin wasn't just about potential financial returns. It was about being part of a cultural moment. This phenomenon highlights how humor and community continue to drive the meme coin market. Thanks for watching. Meme coins might have started as a joke, but their impact on the financial world is no laughing matter. Whether they're reshaping how we see value or just riding the waves of internet culture, one thing's for sure, they've got people talking. Let us know in the comments. Do you think meme coins are the future or just a passing trend? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into the world of crypto and beyond. See you in the next video.